C plus D by 2 and B is equal to C minus D by 2. Okay, we have derived from these two equations, first and second. We assume that I have just described in question number 5. The same process is here. Value of A and B will come out in the same way. A and B, C plus D by 2 and B C minus D by 2. And A plus B we have assumed C, A minus B and D. Okay, so the same thing we put here. This is cos C plus cos D. This implies that cos C plus cos D equal to 2 into cos A. A means C plus D upon 2 into cos B. B means C minus D upon 2 and it's put. So this is your question number 7. This is just we have derived these questions. We have derived these questions from the previous question, the 4th. The question number 3rd we have just transformed it into form of C and D. C and D, what are C and D? That are just assumed as A plus B is C, A minus B is D. Then we have solved them A and B calculated by solving the linear equations. This is the process of proving these, transforming the same formulae into another form. So sum and difference to product form we are doing. Now question number 8. What is that? Question number 8 is cos C minus cos D. We have to prove that cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin cos C minus cos D. Okay, let me just check it. Is the same thing or different? Cos C minus cos D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin, it will be, I think, D minus C by 2. Let me check. Sin C minus D by 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. Because if I just put here the 4th question, it will be in the right hand side is okay, 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin 1. But in the right hand side it will be first D, it will be D minus C. D minus C. Because this A plus B is C, this is D. I'm sorry to say, this is first D, then C. Cos D minus cos C, either we write, or if we write cos C minus cos D, then it will be 2 minus sin. Okay, if I write that, this is cos D minus cos C. Let me just write here C and this is D. But first is cos A minus B, just like this. Cos A minus B, this one cos A minus B first, then minus cos A plus B. A plus B we have assumed as C, and this is D. So cos D minus cos C is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2, or C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, because B is C minus D by 2. Okay. So this is solution from question number 4. From question number 4, we have, what do we have? We have there 2 sin A into sin B equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, this is there. Again putting here A plus B is equal to C, A minus B is equal to D. Adding them, we get twice A is equal to C plus D, or A is equal to C plus D by 2. And on subtraction of second from first, we get twice B equal to C minus D, or B is equal to C minus D upon 2. A and B, just we have done in the same way. Okay, just keep these values of A and B. A is C plus D by 2, B is C minus D by 2, A plus B is C, and A minus B is D. Okay, so here in this equation, this A minus B is D. This is twice sine A is C plus D by 2 into sine B is C minus D by 2 is equal to cos of B, sorry. Again, this is cos of B, try to understand, minus cos of C. And if I write first cos C, then minus, then it will be negative sign in the left hand side. Okay, so in the beginning, if I put minus sign, then it will be cos C minus cos D. Otherwise, it is cos D minus cos C. This is to be kept in mind. Okay, otherwise, don't forget the formula. So this is question number 8 and 9. Or cos D minus cos C, hence cos D minus cos C equal to 2 sine A plus C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. Same formula is obtained here. 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2. It is cos D minus cos C. Hence fruit. So we have transformed question number 4 into question number 8. This is how these 8 formulae are mostly used, very important, and questions now let me take this from them. How we solve the questions, let me discuss that. Okay, now question number 9. Questions based on these formulae. Let me take them one by one. Before that, let me clean it further. Okay, so question number 9 now we have to do. This is the process of solving the formulae first, and questions now based on them, how to solve them. Let me discuss about that. Okay, so question number 9, what did it say? Let me check. Okay, now question number 9. Ninth question is, find the following trigonometric resolution. What are the values of this? Find the value of this. Question number 9. Find the value of the following. Question number 2 with that. This is twice cos 5 theta into cos 3 theta. 2 cos 5 theta into cos 3 theta. 3 times theta. Now we see here the bigger value, positive value, 5 theta, which is bigger one, and 3 theta is lower one. So we put this as A and this as B. Okay, so twice cos A into cos B. So let us take cos A into cos B formula, product formula, which is the third one, to cos A cos B. Okay, so solution. Let me find the value of this. Since 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. This we know about. 2 cos A cos B, third formula. 2 cos A cos B equal to cos A plus B. Sorry, this is plus cos A minus B. This is plus sign, not minus. I'm sorry. From third one we have to just add them. Because cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, then their values will be. But when we add, then the second part will be eliminated. First part, this is cos A, 2 cos A cos B will come out. Cos A plus B will be added up. This cos A cos B will be added up. So this is plus sign. I'm sorry here. This is 2 cos A cos B. Here A is equal to 5 theta, B is equal to 3 theta. This is the value. Let us take 2 cos 5 theta into cos 3 theta. Therefore, twice of cos 5 theta into cos 3 theta is equal to cos 5 theta plus 3 theta plus cos 5 theta minus 3 theta. That is nothing but cos 8 theta cos 2 theta. This is the answer here. 2 cos 5 theta into cos 3 theta is equal to cos 8 theta plus cos 2 theta. But sum of these two is a plus b, 8 theta, 5 plus 3, 8, and 5 theta minus 3 theta is 2 theta. And look, this is the value, answer. This is the answer here. Cos 8 theta plus cos 2 theta. Simply apply the formula. Put the formula and then the values. That is the solution. How to find it. Okay, so question number 9 we have done. Let me talk about question number 10. Now, what is question number 10 say? Let me check. Question number 10. Okay, so question number 10 says, I'm sorry, 10 says this one. 2 sin 4 theta into sin 7 theta. Okay, let me take that. This is 2 sin 4 theta. To find again, this is the given here. Find the following trigonometric ratio, the value of the trigonometric ratios. 2 sin 4 theta into sin 7 theta. 7 theta is the bigger one. We will take it as either D or C, no problem. 7 theta is the D here, or we can take it as 7 theta is bigger one, or equal to, and we write the bigger value first, which is sin 7 theta into sin 4 theta. Now solution. Since we know that since sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B first. This is from fourth question. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Try it on this one. This is cos A minus B cos A plus B. There is the point here. So cos 2 sin A sin B. To sin A sin B. A we have taken 7 theta. B we have taken the lower value. Even if we take negative, I mean the small value as A doesn't matter, because here A minus B, if it is negative, cos is even function, it will be positive even then. What is 4 theta minus 7 theta, it will be minus 3 theta. But cos negative is positive. Cos 3 theta, it will be even then. So the sign will remain same. Here they are added up, so no change. Sign of change, I mean change of sign will not happen in both the cases. Either we write this A or this B, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is A or this is B. In this case, doesn't matter. Let me now take. Therefore, putting here, as we compare, putting A is equal to 7 theta and B is equal to 4 theta. We get this is 2 sin 7 theta into sin 4 theta is equal to cos of 7 theta minus 4 theta minus cos 7 theta plus 4 theta. It will give us cos 3 theta minus cos of 11 theta. This is 11, 7 plus 4, 11. And difference 7 theta minus 4 theta is 3 theta. This is cos 3 theta minus cos 11 theta. This is the answer here. How we have to just apply the direct formula, which we have just discussed. That is the process of doing that. Now let me take question number 11. Okay, now 11th question. What did it say? Let me check it. So some questions are taken, but you listed the topic here. Now question number 11. 11 says sine 5 theta. Find the value of sine 5 theta into cos theta. Yeah, into cos theta. This sine 5 theta into cos theta. What we have to do? Multiply this by 2 and divide by 2 because 2 sin theta cos theta we have into sin a cos b we have formed the formula. In case of, since we know the solution, let me find out. But to find the value of this, what is this value? Just find the value. To find the value of this. So we know that 2 sin theta to sin a into cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. The very first formula, 2 sin a cos b, sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. The first formula we have applied here because 5 theta cos theta. 5 theta is a, b is putting here a is equal to 5 theta and b is equal to theta. So we have therefore sin 5 theta into cos theta can be written as 1.2 into 2 sin 5 theta into cos theta. We have to multiply this by 2 and divide by 2 because 2 is not there. Now this formula can be applied. So this is 2 sin 5 theta into cos theta. That will give us 1.2 in bracket. It is sin a plus b. A plus b is 5 theta plus theta plus sin a minus b, 5 theta minus theta. To give us sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta upon 2. The answer is, because 5 theta plus theta is 6 theta. 1.2 is there. This is to be remembered. But we have to just multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So 2 is not there. Now this formula can be directly put. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. This is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. This is the answer. Question number 11. So finally we have done this. Now let me talk about next question. Now question number 12. What did it say? Let me check it. Question number 12. Okay, so question 12 is this one. Cos theta sin 8 theta. Alright. Question number 12. This is cos theta into sin 8 theta. Now in case of this combination sin of cos, we have to think about the larger number, larger angle. What is the larger value of angle? 8 theta. First we write or is equal to sin 8 theta into cos theta. Okay, so just solution let me find out. We have to find out the value of this. Right side, either cos theta into sin 8 theta or cos sin 8 theta into cos theta. That means cos is sin b. Sin a cos b. We have to apply the formula. Because it is 8 is bigger. We put it as sin a cos b formula. That is from the first formula itself. Okay, let me check whether we said here cos theta sin 8 theta. Right. So again, since from first formula we know that since we have or we know that we have from question number 1. What do we have? This y sin a into cos b is equal to sin a cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Or we can just simplify that. We can write here sin a cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b divided by 2. sin A cos B equal to this. Putting putting A equal to 8 theta and B is equal to theta only. What will we get? This is the answer completely. We will get here sin 8 theta into cos theta is equal to sin 8 theta plus theta minus sin 8 theta minus theta divided by 2. That is equal to sin of 9 theta minus, so this is plus sign, I'm sorry. This is plus sign. So plus sign, why I'm calling this? Okay. This is sin 9 theta plus sin 7 theta. Plus sin 7 theta divided by 2. This is the answer here. Complete answer here. This is the answer. Sin 9 theta plus sin 7 theta upon 2. So 2 we have divided this. Sin 8 theta into cos theta is equal to, just put 8, A is equal to 8 theta, B is equal to theta only. Then we can get this answer. Okay, so this is question number 12. Okay, now let me take question number 13. What does question number 13 say? Let me check it. Okay, question number 13 now. It says 2 cos alpha plus beta. You have to find out the value. Okay, let me check it. Question number 13. To find the value of 2 cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. Yeah, this is the value Cos C Cos D formula. Cos C Cos B, you know that we have to find out this question. Solution. We know we have from question number 3 here. Question number 3 from question number 3. We just say like this or direct put the formula. This is 2 cos A into cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Third question number 3 here. Cos A cos B equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Now what we see here? We see here in place of A we have alpha plus beta. In place of B we have alpha minus beta. Putting here A is equal to alpha plus beta and putting alpha minus beta as B. Alpha minus beta equal to B or alpha plus beta equal to A. So we get cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta equal to cos A plus B. A plus B is sum of these two, alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta into cos plus cos. So this is plus sign. Cos alpha plus beta minus alpha plus beta. Why? Because we have to open with minus sign. So first is negative, then other negative plus, so it will become plus sign. And if I open minus sign like this, minus sign alpha minus beta equal to minus alpha plus beta. That's why I put here plus beta. Okay, that is the logic here. So what do we see? This minus beta plus beta cancel out. This is cos of 2 alpha plus cos of 2 beta minus alpha cancel out plus alpha and minus alpha. It's twice beta. This is the answer here. This is the formula answer. This is equal to cos twice alpha plus cos twice beta. Only answer. Okay, so this is question number 13. Okay, now let me take question number 14. Now question number 14. What does it say? Let me check. So, question number 14. Okay, now question number 14 says, find the value of, find sine alpha plus beta upon 2 into sine alpha minus beta upon 2 is equal to what? Okay, so let us do this. 2 sine alpha, I'm sorry, this is not sine but it is cos, sorry. It is sine alpha plus beta upon 2 into cos alpha minus beta upon 2. It is cos alpha minus beta upon 2. Sine alpha plus beta upon 2 into cos alpha minus. So cos A sine B, this is formula. The first formula which we know about. Okay. Solution. From the first formula, what do we have? An alpha plus beta. This one. Okay. So we know from first, from question number 1, we have, question number 1 we have, what do we have? 2 sine A cos B equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. What we see here, we have to put here A is equal to this, B is equal to this, but 2 we have to multiply. So here sine alpha, sine A into cos B is equal to, let me put sine A plus B plus sine A minus B upon 2. This 2 we have taken to this side. So now putting A is equal to alpha plus beta upon 2 and B is equal to alpha minus beta upon 2. So these two value substitution we have to put. Here the substitutions. What is that? A is equal to putting or substituting alpha plus beta upon 2 and substituting beta equal to alpha minus beta upon 2. Okay, so what do we get here? Just put directly that. Therefore, sine A cos B is implies that sine alpha plus beta upon 2 into cos alpha minus beta upon 2 is equal to sine A plus B. A plus B means sum of these two. So this is alpha, this is beta upon 2 plus sine alpha minus beta upon 2 plus alpha minus beta upon 2 plus sine, this is sine alpha plus beta upon 2 minus sine A with B and alpha minus beta upon 2 upon whole 2. So this is upon 2 value. Now let me solve it. So here the value will be, therefore let me write here, this will be equal to this sine of, now if I take 2 LCM, let me take 2 LCM, the first one, it will be alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta upon 2 plus sine of alpha plus, we have taken 2 LCM minus sine alpha plus beta as it is minus sine, it will become alpha minus plus beta. Okay, with minus sign, if I open the bracket value, then positive will become negative, negative positive, so minus plus multiplication. So this will give us minus alpha plus alpha cancel out, and this minus beta plus beta cancel out. We will get sin alpha twice alpha upon 2 plus sin twice beta upon 2 is nothing but sin alpha plus sin beta. Sin alpha plus sin beta, this is the answer. Sin alpha plus sin beta. Okay, so this is the value here. Let me take okay, so this is the answer. Sin alpha plus sin beta is the answer. Final answer is this. So 14th question, number 14. Okay, now we have to prove the other questions. Let me take other questions to prove the following. When answers are given, we have to prove them. Prove the following. From 15th question to 18th question number. Let me now prove this. Question number 15. We have to prove this twice. Sine of pi by what is this 12, 5 pi by 12. This is 5 pi by 12 into sine pi by 12 into sine of pi by 12. Okay, so this is 2 sine A cos 2 sine A sine B formula is equal to we have to prove is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, this we have to prove. Simple logic. 2 sine 5 pi by 12 and sine pi by 12. Okay, that is equal to 1.2. Let me prove this. Solution. Let me take first left hand side. Left hand side is 2 sine of 5 pi by 12 into sine pi by 12. Okay. Now we know what we know. We know that sine A sine B is equal to cos A minus B. This is minus 9 cos A plus B. This is your fourth formula. Question number 4. To sin A sin B equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is to be understood. This is to be understood here. Okay, you have to understand this, that this formula is to be remembered. The fourth question is, fourth formula is different one, unique one. Please just try to understand. This is cos A minus B first, then minus cos A plus B from fourth formula. So this is to sin A sin B type formula. Okay, so here A is 5 pi by, let me put here. Here